Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kosi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa, kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world.
Chinsa inye mwancho murigarari cheli tukaliga lya chumaine shitariki 25 na ibere chomo tienyi omutangani mwaka bwechi bena 25 nomo nyakene kionga chinsa inya senchira bwikara nuche ni ngor kwaro ni ototo nyengiri kurasa nsama imenyelio ni gotoko bwataranere Wilson mwaka na kionga chinsa inye mwancho murigarari gotoko chakali molio ka kurwase chinsemo chie eskuru ya Kiareni yogo toka ime ya Marani county ya Kisii kase bunge ya Kituchache North ase omukonyo mugavana bwe county ya Kisii Muskeli Jobebo ara murobuli gugo chakia okole mukwege simakia macha chinsa mecho egentanya ka kwandika kirachi ko banyara ko bage gokonya be chinsa mecho konyora machi ayo beiro mochando ase bale asege ka egetambe mulikito Daniel Ontiri na mange
Ase project yabere kegosugumwa no MCA we ward ya Marani Omoske Dennis Ombachi ase myaka mingi bono nekirenga kyogokora omochando wa mache ase sublocation Chambanda megogo onywere na nyamage omwalio ye omuroboliga nigoikirina nemambia ya lero nse yoburai omugavana we county ya Kisii Omoske Simbarati mokonyo Muskeli Jobebo oyo chakya bene
naro twachire ga rero ko make sure nga achakirwe naro twatenga matuka 5 egwikia yemo gusaba matuka 5 usatana nalimo ama chance de kunyekuga erebuya gosere bubi amache keraro osigwa abantu ba minto wanafunzi ambao mko hapa na abaiboli bara abachira amacha yatabaise gusaligwa abantu mbangite gusalia amache busaigo umuntu awunya kunya mina busaigo liba akoligia amache n'ekimashini ibintu biri machine yakoragi akoligia oenda apo gusalia amacha aya iko tu abeka amacha ase sukuru yema tumanyetenga bwana principal security nengia bintu mbisaligwa elinda amacha akonya abana akonya n'abantu baitana ine gaiga elinde banyora amache tubakerio buli tobugo kikoligia amache
okwana chinga kechombache nigatebuna ikiga ngechikokonya boiga samagendro egetambokero boigo kyagokerwa nabamenye bensemiga abaruko boko asabarayaba.
We have been longing for this Kiareni water project for some time. It was initiated by the late Onyonka 1976. We are happy that after about 50 years, Governor Simbarati has come to launch it. It's going to serve the community around here. And as you heard the community members say, we need water at Getare, Kendegere, Kiamogore, Gesabakwa, and we are sure it's going to give us enough water.
Igondo moibulio Kiareni, primary, junior na secondary. Na irane iringa mbiamono, aso mweshimiwe ito, gotoinyora muna abantu ba Kiareni. Abana baito bachandekire babagoiria amache korukane bibuyu bagosugunani bareta esukuru bacha gotumia bono poka tororanga amache yako babuna ebitabu bya babuna bono ke bagoike esukuru babwate stress
wagokire mono naenda genderere iga ntoko motiga
magaga yokoremwo koiga koera inse yoike mere bosio macha iga nigarachi gusugumwa wecha sebinyero byensemeye ligokonya kubatora chinyungo kolengana n'echira chabarayaba.
na mwanchomo ligereri goika ase county ya Nyamira nigo mugavana gwe county ya Nyamira musika munyeribo abekiro koigwana amo ne kiombe kia Luala community ase baje kuchikobwatira nase myaka 5 koene kunango kyane bale ebikore ebya Bible anani mwana chinga kichiribaka konkia wishikosiria amagimabo kose kobeka amagimabo asa kongu Morobelio yu nigo nyaka wakane kiwa wasibo mugavana we county yu musike munyeribo nawigo omo waziri wa chenu imeye county ya Nyamira Dr. Donald Mogoi munago tumemuliki tofauti kati Disemba
kuna enjira eyemo yogokeania ebirengo bya basubati abo bagusiria amagimabo chingaki cyokoibora nigo eserikali ye county ya Nyamira ekuragwa no mugavana Amos Nyaribo ebarikirana ne kiombe kya Luala Community Alliance abo anene kirenga kyabo nuko barenda abasubati eryo kwene kyabona inkoibora bare abana buya
abantu bamintorero to assign a partnership between Nyamira County Government and organization Ekolguruara. We succeeded to make sure Mongino the Wednesday, Tarigokwa, as a process Yokonyoro Mwana. I send Yatari Abo, Yenesiro Mortality Rate, Yani, Mongina Tayo Kunano Yomo. Vajra Nyamira, and to some. Minto na ba kodi modi rwabwate ne toko ga shiringi sano wato mende shiringi sano asemi yake 5 neba ge reduce bakeje week after 5 years onyo alenti tuetene ne to abeiro mwana uche school beka na magorai
Maiga yokobwatana okoiga nigo umugavana Omoske Amos Nyaribo aorokia oboremu bwaye buna ebirengo byabangina gosiria obogima bwabo mboche gokeana
abangina bawo kwa Nyamira iyo wari 349 aseru 100 no teba Nyamira no to repeta than average ya Kenya still gosiria abantu 349 abuna banta bangi sana. The target yeito in another 3 to 5 years no could reduce. Abangi na kuru 349 mwena nemia na chini. Na ndi gradually turned into 0. Ikiaro mwina hako nyoro mwana tabu ndiguku. Ngasi eno komenta bana.
Ejiga nero enchira ekiombe keiga kya Luala Community Alliance baroberetie gocha gokonya county ya Nyamira eryo gotoria amagima ya basubati chingaki bakogongya.
Part of the health facility intervention is deployment of the non-pneumatic anti-shock garment or NASG. This is a simple body compression device that is applied on a woman when they are bleeding after birth. And you know, bleeding after birth is the major killer of women in the country. Reduces blood flow to the peripheral areas and preserves that for the organs. Meanwhile, healthcare workers are looking for more specialized care. Nyamira County requires just about 331 of those garments. In our conversation and commitment with the county, we have said that for every garment that the county is invested in, Luala will match that to ensure that all health facilities across the county have the non-pneumatic anti-shock garment.
Ensemende nigo mawasiri wabochenu Dr. Donald Mogoi akwanira enjira boigo chinyagitari aho Nyamira chirache gokonyeka no moroberio oyoiga.
Our discussion is also how they can help us to support our new agency, the Revolving Health Products and Technologies Agency, because we're also going to work on the health products and technologies aspect to ensure that as we digitize community health systems, we are also digitizing our health facilities. And as we digitize the health facilities, we ensure that whatever commodities that we need, and as we're investing in most of these commodities, then they're efficiently and effectively done.
Kinko reporter Getembe Kroigase County ya Nyamira Jeff Atgard Isemba.
Na mwanjo muligele merobele ya botambe ni yatina hase skuru ya abamura ya Nyakeria yogotoka ime ward ya Sense bunge Gitutu Chache North county ya Kisii magayo muliro gwate kasinza mecho na gosamba enyumba ya muyoburaro kolengana na Musab county commander Wensemeyo John Kimtai ganyaga bakwanenga gwikira bonega ikikenyara kwa gochaki muliro yo ngiramanyikana mpona gutuma mulikito Daniel Onteri.
Emirobelio ya botambe nigo ya turubana hasi skuriga ya bomura ya Nyakeiri magaga yo mulero gosamba na gosalia nebe nyinge hasi nyumbe yiga yoboraro hasaboroki wa grade ge komi hasaboroki wa 53 na batatu egati abo basiri birarero ebitabo chibox cyabo egati yebinde binge korengana nabatenere abayiga umulero nigo bwata hange chinsa isananemo mugaso chingakia borokigwa bagenderete na masoma ba mugaso oyo no nyina bo uri migwa na borokigwa bakubwatirina nabo bisa bibasokano abayigo bakolimi muliro kurwase county ya Kisii oyo mwelio ye ocha kolima chingakie nebe nyinge konye yasaligwe nakorengana no mukomanda wa nyimbo asense miga ekeo chakia tikira manyikana.
Dome was housing 88 grade 10 students. At the time of the fire, all the students were in classroom. They had just returned to class from the tea break. None of the students was injured. We have confirmed that all of them are safe. We also, the DCI visited the scene of crime personnel going through the dome to try and establish the cause of fire. Also are making arrangements to make sure that all the kids are taken care of after this incident.
Asense mwende niko batebuna emirobelio ya chakiwe bunenchiremo yoko enekibuna amasomo airenerwe boikereno.
Now plans are being made to accommodate the students and make them comfortable because it is the agenda of the government that no student should be out of school as we speak. Two, we want to assure the parents that all kids are accounted for and there should be no need for worry or panic. We are also carrying out investigations and a report will be made very soon on the course and on the way forward. So right now the situation is calm and it has been contained.
Aborokiwa baiga nigo yabetereria batigale hase skuru kubwatekana no gochika we serikali goro yaborokiwa be grade gi komi na mabolyo nigoro yasaborokiwa baiga 53 na batatu hase barachi korara na mono hase botuko bwalero hase kubolia kwabeko gocha serikali no burai wa Gitutu Chache North kubasira chingakebo bisa bobotuki bosalia DCI bayigekire obotoke na bateba ngo bwatuka baroroboti igoro yegekorekiga amatuke makare bosyo nkurubaterega taseni kya gatembe kurega se county ya Kisii leterane ngoro kwa Daniel Ontiri.
Na mwancho muligererio mwaraki wa Serieta Station Nyango kurwa chinsamba chandizini yogotoka ime ward ya Gitutu Central ebunge ya Gitutu Chache South ya county ya Kisii nigo hataranya kawakwirana kwa guseka kwa eskuru nemono a Sensemeria Senior School kubatekana amo no kuborwa gwechibesa moroki goyo nyate kwa kurangiri gocha se eskuru ye secondary go se senior school magitema socio gotoka ime ya county ya Narok nigali siko kubatekana amo no bole merubole sia mateyo morikito Diponi Asanya na Mange.
Nilikuwa naweza fukuzwa pesa ya shule. Saa zingine niko kwa mlango kama mimi hajapata. Saa zile amepata ndio naenda.
Aya na maliga yobororo banene korwase ya mateyeiga yomorokiwa we grade ya 10 korwase skuru yoboroso ya daraja 2 oyubono omenyete chinsemo chiandizini daraja 2 meye county ya Kisii.
Na ni Stesa Nyangola. Nilifanya shule grade 9 katika daraja primary school. So kitu yenye nimefanya sijaenda shule ni kuwa mami hana uwezo. Mami hana uwezo na dadi alikufa 2024 mwezi wa 4. Sasa mami ana pesa ya kutupeleka shule. Kazi yenye anafanya ni kuokota scrap na kulipa nyumba na yenye tukule.
Gusanga na mamu mwabo Asirita Grace Odhiambo nigatebire omworoki woyo iga nigabetega kurangirwa ase skuru ya social mixed kurinde asomokiobo nigobetega goikensinyo na kurigia ekerengererio giokonyora eskuru nonyane ya ange eyubono goikabono etaranyarikana.
Jina langu ni Grace Adhiambo. Mtoto alifanya mtihani lakini nilikosa pesa ya kumpeleka shuleni, vitabu na nitafute pesa hadi uniform na viatu, na sikukuwa nayo, ndio manake mtoto badako kwa mlango.
Kuwetekana nogokora kwaje ebibarua.
Na mimi sina kazi, na wakota scrap ndio nilipe nyumba na watoto wakule, na wengine pia wako shule wawili. Sasa mahitaji nayo imenikalia ngumu na maisha pia imenikalia ngumu, na mambo ya chakula nayo inabidi nitafute.
Ekerero nomokia bumwibori nokonekia nga abana baye bachira sikuru ilio banyare gonchoreria na gwekonya asamagimankyo.
Babake ayuko, alitoroka nao watoto, nikaenda nikawafuatilia, nikarudi nao juu manake penye walikuwa hawakuwa wanaenda shule, alikuwa amesinda tu hapo kwa mlango. Ndio niliona niende niwachukue nisumbuke nao, nione benye wanaweza enda shule. Sasa changamoto yenye nimepitia kutoka hiyo grade 9 nimeshughulika mpaka hadi amefanya mtihani. Sasa hapa hivi sasa nimekosa pesa ya kumpeleka shule kutoka.
Omworoki woyo iga Stacy nigobono aruro koboria gosaboririo bokonyi kurwasa basamariana bali no moyo bugwancha elio komokonya anyari gwikirania ndoto yaye yoboraria.
Nilikuwa nataka nikikaa mkubwa nikuwe journalist, lakini mami hana uwezo. Nilikuwa naomba munisaidie. Mimi nilikuwa naomba tuka shule yote wanaweza kunikubalia niende, bora nisome nitimize malengo yangu.
Mimi ningeomba tu ili aingie shuleni na nipate mnyana pesa kumlipia fee ili asome. Hiyo ndio mahitaji yangu yenye niko nayo kubwa, juu singeweza.
Kuripoteria egetaseni kia Gatembe kurwega chinsemo chia Ndizini daraja 2 meye kaunti ya Kisii eliana nkoro kwa Dipon Hasanya.
Mworokia mwanene wa skuru ya Wamura ya Nyabigena Dr. Dismas Omoke niganya kaba kugwanira mirobiri yegenda takane kwa chukuru anane mono igoro ya warakiwa begiredi yekomi abo banyara ko bagosoa chukuru gochaka ikiyaita korengana nere nigo skuru ya nyara kwa gokirania mirobiri yonsi eyue kane kabuna warakiwa abo ni warakiwa abo nigo barachake amasomo abo gochaka litko liankyo.
Today we had a function of orienting our grade 10 students. We realize they have been reporting to school for the last 2 weeks, and today we were doing orientation for the boys. We were happy that we were joined by our quality assurance and standards officers from Guja South and the Kisii South. They are very resourceful people, and I think that the students and the teachers have greatly benefited. So far, in terms of reporting, we have received 295 students. We are okay, and from tomorrow we are beginning the learning. The ministry had sent some books, although not all, but we have received some new materials from the Ministry of Education. On the directive that was given to the President, we took it positive, although we have not had that kind of challenge in our school. The parents who have come to our school, in one way or the other, have tried. Although they have not all fully paid, but they have tried. They know this is a boarding school, and they know watoto wao watashughulikiwa kupewa chakula na vitu zingine. Hasa subjects kama home science, metalwork, art and design, drawing and design. Kwa mashule nyingi zitakuwa ni subjects geni. Lakini vile tumefundisha, walimu wameenda retooling, wameambiwa kwamba mwalimu wa biolojia anaweza akafundisha home science vilivyo akitumia ile silabai ambayo imepeanwa. Mwalimu wa mathematics anaweza kufundisha drawing and design kama hakuna mwalimu ambaye amehitimu katika hiyo area. Tukiendelea kutafuta hawa walimu, tutatafutwa tukiendelea mbele. Lakini sasa katika shule yetu ya St. Joseph's Nyabigeni Senior School, kama ni mahabara, tuko na enough laboratories, we have enough rooms because tulikuwa na wanafunzi wengi, kisha mnajua vile form 1 ilikuwa so rooms siko za kutosha. Zingine tutaconvert zikuwe rooms for like home science, zingine zifanye network, electricity na hizi subjects zingine.
Mwantu muligere kirabo nigo tokwenda mo timoko makego chideka chingeiga togwenda ntnya kwa tokogendera na mangana maya ye kionga chinsanye igo toskocha.
Karibu Borabu Technical Training Institute, kituo cha maarifa, ubunifu na ujuzi wa vitendo kwa maendeleo ya kesho. Katika Computing and Informatics Department, tunatoa kozi za kisasa zitakazokuweka mbele kiteknolojia, ICT, Computer Programming, Cyber Security pamoja na Digital Animation and Media. Katika Building and Civil Engineering Department, tunakuandaa kuwa mtaalamu wa kujitegemea kupitia kozi za Plumbing na Building kwa ujuzi wa vitendo unaohitajika sokoni. Kwa wale wanaopenda umeme na teknolojia ya mawasiliano, Electrical and Electronic Engineering Department inatoa Electrical Engineering, Power Option, Electronic na Telecommunication. Ndani ya Institutional Management Department, tunakuza vipaji na ubunifu kupitia Fashion Design and Clothing Technology, Hair Dressing na Beauty Therapy. Katika Health Sciences Department, tunajali afya ya jamii kwa kutoa kozi za Health Records, IT na Community Health. Na katika Business Studies, tunakuandaa kwa ulimwengu wa biashara kupitia Human Resource, Business Management na Supply Chain. January Intake 2026 inaendelea sasa. Jiandikishe leo na chukua hatua ya kwanza kuelekea mustakabali wako wenye mafanikio. Borabu Technical Training Institute ipo kando ya barabara ya Kisii hadi Ikonge, karibu na mji wa Kibirigo. Kwa maelezo zaidi, piga simu 0746211764 au 0727433205 au 0725533426. Tembelea tovuti yetu www.borabu.tti.ac.ke. Borabu Technical Training Institute, Technical Skills for Development.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanyibu na mangana watika kira chingaki ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo toko kora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne vipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonsi inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video chito wigo share na basani amune amate ejo baigokie wemanye na wesemia tubase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ejo onyari kubagoko yanyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekinakyo ekeunga kiamamogusie.
Korista Training College inakupa mafunzo bora ya teknolojia na ujuzi wa kisasa unaohitajika sokoni leo. Tunapeana kozi ya Computer Studies katika Basic IC3, Advanced IC3 na Computer Technician, ambapo utapata mafunzo ya kutengeneza, kutatua matatizo na ujuzi wa kitaalamu wa kompyuta. Tunapeana kozi ya Graphics Design katika Motion Graphics na Still Graphics. Badilisha ubunifu wako kuwa taaluma ya kulipwa. Tunajivunia kuwa na kompyuta nyingi za kisasa kuhakikisha kila mwanafunzi anahudumiwa kikamilifu na kwa kuridhisha. Korista Training College ipo Suneka Town, Asumbi Junction. Tawi letu lingine liko Homa Bay, Sophia Estate. January Intake inaendelea. Usikose nafasi ya kujiunga na kizazi cha kidijitali. Piga simu sasa 0707185119. Korista Training College, the heart of the digital world. Welcome to Elimu Academy, a modern school committed to offering the best education for every learner. We are CBC compliant and provide junior secondary education, ensuring a seamless academic journey for your child. We provide excellence in every detail, a modern, spacious library, fully equipped for every learner, a state-of-the-art science laboratory and a modern computer lab, perfect for hands-on, practical learning, spacious, modern classrooms for comfort and focus, top qualified teachers certified by the Ministry of Education. In the latest Kenya National Council for Examinations KJSEA results, Elimu Academy recorded outstanding performance. Out of 48 candidates, 29 exceeded expectations, 17 met expectations, and only 2 approached expectations. Most impressively, 32 learners successfully transitioned to C1 secondary schools, a true reflection of strong academic foundation and consistent excellence. The 2026 intake and admissions are ongoing. Hurry and secure space for your child today. Located 2 kilometers from Kisii town along the Kisii-Keroka Highway. Call us on 0741 562 931 or 0780 894 411. Elimu Academy, educating for eternity.
Mwanjo mulike karibu nsemo ya kabiri ya kionga chinsa inye ngina Teresa Nyanjama nigabeire kamenyete ase ubugima butari buya asanyare ko gusamente n'abana baye ase nyomba yokorosia endagira igani gakoreka kurwase chinsemo chia ekenyero kianyamote neneri ime yewodi yagisima ebunge hector masaba na nigo habiri gagwetira yonsi kolendeli tukuli alero nigamate nyara kabakoroke mwankobo maiga yogosirwa no mwana siasa asireta Dr. Walter Janua kurwase county ya Nyamira onyara kabagwesokia na komokonya kumwagachira inyomba igendu kenya kabakana kikwa gosege kwa kikwa na bamenye chinza mechu aborokia omogoko origoro mono munagutumuri kitofati kari gisemba
nase enkayomongina Teresa Nyanchama kurwase kenyero kya nyamoteneneri ime ye ward ya gesima ebunge ya Kitut Masaba oyo obeire gakurara echokoni yomomuroye ejwere mamincha nigekoro kyomogusi wetera ogutatwara enyumba nigorero anyoro mogoko bene maigayere kwagachirwa enyumba n'omwana siasa Walter Janua kurwase county ya Nyamira
aiga no mucho maroria mugakona arikurukumayeka na kweto kurukumarem igona amenyete nyomba yarengero gorari simwa gacheria nyomba iye kangotera abana bana bagateba ri bage nyomba irache kugwere tiga tokore kitiga tutagore nyomba tokoire matari uchikunya koberoro tuja konyora ka chinguru tumaje kugwagachira abere kinko chandeka asama tukamange menyeta ase nyomba y'abana ejero bosoku korende na tinyigwa mariga onkore iramaya maneno nyagachire nyumba
Iyamate yomongina oyoiga nigona barabwo baesokire na koro kya omogokobo na goteba buna nigo enyumba yiga yaberege kubachanda engaki entambe
Marita ngoro Lucas nyabayo mayeka naga asende ninga noyo agajirwe nyomba ye oyo no mongina Teresa nere mama na inje no mumuroye njeni kongote yo mwesimi wegenda akorire titwana korora tiganya saa mukonye ikiagera amatuka mango mungino yobeire tabwatie nyomba nando mugaka ni gasirete kare mungino yo no kurwara urwarire osine nyomba ni munatabwati na era nabokoranga nabe chandikira sengoro gakie gento ko mwesimi wo wakorire ne gento kyo gukumisana nje gento ndasabe ne gento ndasabe gyoka tiganya saa gokonye akomente chinguru okorera abande bo
kurwase ensemo y'abanyakenyoro bekenyore keiga Kenya muteneneri nigo baburirie abarai bande gutwara enaro yogokonya abanga bana baiga ase binyoro abo bagendererete wetera amakong'u ase boigo basabira basae na boigo onde bwensi utarabwate kura ene kebuna inkweri kiare eriogo cha kubachora abarai baganetie
mwana kongaino na shilingi 100 mwamagirwo mwacerwe meteime roro mongino ndo cereirwo atarani iga atwa ngota gakoro mutango twa kwagata nyomba bunei igongo ngotebio mugambie iche iga arore nyombe na enda abantu aba barore abamanya abantu bamumanyenere
abakuru uburayo bwagachagete mugetutu taranyora magenderero aya abantu koretu na devolution wone gento kyo kanda achiko saba abantu abari Nyamira tigatubwaterane 2027 torusio mugakori obis tomotomeka nesira ayo kera no kogenda gari tobwate bibande tobwate chikura nabasaba mindu babwate bibande ne chikura
ukwira ne nambia mono asaya gwakorire iga na macho sintobwati ntokwariganitio totarere getunwe kenya muteneni gocha komojanu atoreke gimana neta gatabana
Kingo reporter Gatembe koroiga nyamuteneneri yegotoka imeye ward ya Gesima ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba county ya Nyamira Mchefa Tigad Gisemba
na mwancho muligerali nigo ebikaro bye bunge birobe igo chikwiranira bwangoiga na kubatakana yo nigo litukulia lero oboteneri bwe bunge hamwe namba jumbe bonsi wanyaka bakomena na chinsemo cha Naivasha iliko nyaka bakorobelia onsi aliye chikwiranirwa asomwe ko yiga chinga kibikale birekiranirwe gose birenererwe aya nikosomero bili yonsi nigo yarawa amono monogerio omonene bwe bunge kosomonogeri bwe bunge nene moske Moses Masika wetangura hamwe nabaraibande ebe bunge.
As political activity inevitably intensifies, this retreat offers us an opportunity to pause, reflect, and refocus. It allows us to step away from the politics that now dominate public discourse and to remind ourselves of our enduring constitutional responsibility of legislation, oversight, and representation of the people of Kenya with dignity and purpose. Honorable members, as we move closer to the election cycle, we must also remain alive to the political environment that naturally accompanies such a period. Experience teaches us that as political temperatures rise, positions harden, and competition intensifies. These dynamics are inevitable in a democratic society, but they must never be allowed to erode the integrity, dignity, and collegiality of this House.
Among the notable bills, honorable members of the House considered in the previous session and subsequently enacted into law include the Government-Owned Enterprises Bill of 2025 and the Repeal Privatization Act of 2025. As indicated in the program again, this retreat provides us an opportunity to deliberate on utilization of the proceeds arising from the investiture and to review the status of implementation of these statutes with a keen focus on the National Assembly's legislative and oversight roles. I've listened to those in the executive and we have heard them commit that none of the money that will be raised out of the privatization process will go, one, into repaying debt, our public debt. Two, to settling recurrent expenditure in our country. And it
Mwancho muligerali wekera bono tokolera magana maya ya kionga chinsenya litukeligali lero ya Jumanne chitariki 22 Chamotinya mutangani umwaka w'ekirwe na 25 onomo chinga kyamange wanagenda konegwa bagachira bot chitaranya kwa chikane kwanchiringa eskuru utumaga eskuru yabamura ya magena ko yego se dom go sinyombe buraro yo ko yeri tuko go samatuka makaitire itukolia lero nigekane kiwo se nigekagiringa nande eskuru eyueri ya mate eskuru eyu na ro hanyar kabaga konyaro modro yugo gwateka chinga kichinga chietire asega tabagana na umwana umunyarako yo mondi ganyara kabaga konyora chingoma kolende kinegendo gatarayana kibo manje muriga nyaga bato kumanya ko chia rituko liangio hali agendete kolendo gusaba goitongoringa onye na borko gose bali bonsi bakubwateranirwa nebikore bunebyo banyaka bakobitiga erinde amasomo anyara kaba gakugendera abuna ebwendete njiri ngoro kwaro ni ototo nyangiri kuronsa mimenyerio nigakorwa Wilson Makoli zema transmission nigakorwa Jackson gose Kevin Ongeri nabo igo magaye kamera nigakorwa Wilfred Matundra ganda toro buli bya Miaga Tembe TV ekigama musi boigo twaro botkoya
ine nuganeti konyora gisemi chingi ya chekerero Liatirimba Technical and Vocational College nero lichibu liao ase intake ya January eyogenderete nigo bakurwa chikusi ao mbabuate mechanical production, welding, automotive technology, fashion design, cosmetology, human resource management, office administration and secretarial, electrical engineering, civil engineering, building technology, masonry, plumbing, carpentry and joinery, ICT technician.
Samarieta ngoro kwa Jackson Omae igondo mwalimu Kabere ase school ya Liatirimba Technical Vocational College ose a deputy principal ase a college ya Liatirimba Technical Vocational College is located as a Nyaliwari Masaba constituency, a ward ya Gasusu, Karoweka as a junction ya Geteri. Aiga as a college yetu abanafunzi ndobwate chinjira mbalimbali tokubakonya ekorama itenga abayibuli baito gotwara baro bwaba ase ngenjo ye school fees. Kero mwanafunzi ekira se college yetu kubakonya tule kubaijuleria kusips ejie kuba funding kurwa se serikali pamoja na funding kurwa se High Education Loans Board elinde banyaragora bagokora kikosi cyabo asobworora na kutabukya kwirari bageri asengencho yo kwaligania abasaya baito pamoja na abayiboli bareta abana babo banyako bakonyora kiskill ekira bakonye isikalia nwali intake intogendrete karibu
intake ya January nigo egendrete ayirira nigo bagutuka asensemo ya Nyaribari Masaba Liatirimba asamange bakire 0757331085 igose batalire ase e website www.liatirimbatvc.ac.ke. Liatirimba Technical and Vocational College, scaling heights of technology.